605. This is going to be a long one. Okay, in file 196, within this loader function, right here, we changed this name a little bit. We tacked on a U32. Now we're going to go look at that function. So in TileBoy, we updated the index, the function index, and here is our TileBoy API. Here's our API put U32. We have the hotel location, the room index, and some other stuff. Pause here to read this. We don't have time to fucking go over that, okay? So pause here to read what these are. I guess I'll have to explain these. This is the room location on the data layout, the diagonal offset, the lateral offset to the data, whether or not we're going to offset horizontally or vertically to get to the correct layer of data. That's what LMX and LMY are, lateral multiplier X and Y. So we're going to take all of these pieces of information and glob them together to get the location of the pixel storing our tile, or where we want to put the data, right? So we're going to offset by 512 here because the hotel is encoded in a 512 by 512 chunk of pixels, and each room is encoded in a 128 by 128 chunk of pixels, and then the diagonal offset to the same size cluster of tiles, and then the lateral offset to the correct layer of tiles, and then RLX and RLY is the local coordinate, right? The room local X and room local Y, and that will get us to data pixel X, data pixel Y. Once we have done that, we need to convert that index into the address of the first byte of the pixel, and then we're going to take that base address and we're going to add 0, 1, 2, or 3 for red, green, and blue, and alpha respectively, shift out the byte, mask that byte with a bitwise and then shove those components of our pixel into our pixel array, which is pix2048. Then we have to update our master memory, pix2048, or technically we're just flagging the memory as dirty so that it can be refreshed correctly as the game updates its tick function. Here's what we did previously. Here's a little update here. I just was reviewing kind of how the dirty flags work in our engine, but we're not going to go over that because we'd run out of time if we did that. So footnotes and stuff, footnotes and footnotes and footnotes, and like and subscribe and send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here, like and subscribe.